Hello and welcome to the York School. In this tutorial, we're going to go through logging into Blackboard for the first time. The URL for Blackboard can be found in your bookmarks bar under My York. Now click on My Blackboard. Agree to the privacy and cookies terms of use. Now here, you will click on Sign in with third-party account. It will instruct you to click on the Login with York School Google account. It is now taking you to the York's single sign-on page where you can enter your email address, click Next, enter your password, and now sign in. It will ask you if you want to stay signed in. You can click the check mark in Don't Show Again and click Yes. It has now logged you in. Here, you can see the calendars for all the grades, and Mr. Medved will be helping you to understand these different calendars. As well, you can see the middle and senior school loops, which tell you about things that are happening within our community, along with York Connect. If you scroll down, you will see that there is your classes should show up in the quick view. As this is just a demonstration, we can show you that one class has been enrolled. Also from this page, you will see that there's an Announcements tab. Click there to find out any new announcements, both for your classes and from the school in general. You will also see the tab for your classes, which shows the quick view, like on the primary page, with the list of classes you're enrolled in and any announcements specific to classes. You can return by clicking My York School. You will get further instruction on how to actually use the tools within each class, either from Mr. Medved or your teacher. Thank you and have a great day.